Welcome back to Technology in the Future. In today's video, we're diving into some exciting developments in the world of handheld gaming. Yes, we're talking about the upcoming ASUS ROG Ally 2, a potential game changer that could seriously shake up the portable gaming market. Based on recent leaks, rumors, and credible sources, the official launch of the ROG Ally 2 seems to be right around the corner. As many of you know, ASUS released the ROG Ally X last summer. It brought some notable upgrades, including a brand new color, a significantly larger 80-watt battery, as well as expanded RAM and internal storage. However, the processor remained unchanged. It was still powered by the highly capable Z1 Extreme APU. Now, don't get me wrong, that chip still holds up remarkably well and continues to outperform many newer Intel options. But ultimately, the Ally X felt more like a mid-cycle refresh than a true generational leap. Now, with AMD unveiling a new wave of advanced chipsets, including the Z2 Extreme, the time has never been better for a full-blown upgrade. And that's exactly what the ROG Ally 2 is shaping up to deliver. According to circulating reports, the Ally 2 is expected to come in two distinct variants, a more affordable white model and a premium black edition targeted towards serious gamers. Let's break down both. The white model, budget-friendly but balanced. Let's start with the budget-friendly white version. This model is rumored to feature the AMD Z2 Go processor, a cost-effective chip that has sparked mixed reactions among enthusiasts. Why? Because it reportedly offers half the number of CPU cores compared to the Z1 Extreme, and it's built on a previous generation architecture. To add to that, the RAM and internal storage options may be limited as well. However, despite these compromises, the Z2 Go might actually be good enough for casual gamers who want to enjoy mainstream titles and indie games without breaking the bank. If you're someone who values affordability and portability, this model could hit the sweet spot. A great point of comparison is the Lenovo Go S, which uses the same chipset and performs adequately in most light to mid-range gaming tasks. A bold new design, ergonomics matter. One of the most surprising updates, and one that's gotten fans talking, is the complete redesign of the Ally 2's physical form. The leaked renders reveal a move away from the sleek and flat monolithic style of previous models. Instead, ASUS seems to be embracing a chunkier, controller-inspired design, one that instantly reminds us of the classic Nintendo 64 controllers, with its curves and pronounced grips. This change could be a big win for those who engage in longer gaming sessions, offering improved hand comfort, better weight distribution, and a more natural feel overall. Despite the redesign, the display size is expected to stay at 7 inches, keeping the Ally compact and highly travel-friendly compared to bulkier alternatives like the Steam Deck or Ioneo devices. The black model, flagship powerhouse. Now, let's talk about the flagship black variant, the one that's clearly aimed at performance junkies and power users. This model is rumored to be powered by AMD's brand new Z2 Extreme APU, which is based on the latest Zen 5 architecture. Early performance indicators suggest a 15% to 20% uplift in overall performance compared to its predecessor. This means faster load times, smoother gameplay in AAA titles, and better thermal efficiency. Even more impressive is the expected memory configuration, up to 32 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and storage options that could range from 1 TB to possibly 4 TB. That's an enormous amount of headroom for today's most demanding games and multitasking needs. There's no confirmation yet on the exact battery capacity, but what we do know is that this model will support 100W fast charging, which could drastically reduce downtime between sessions. Even if the battery size remains similar, the improved charging speed alone will be a game changer for on-the-go gamers. An Xbox button? A hint of something bigger? But perhaps the most intriguing detail from recent leaks is the appearance of a dedicated Xbox button on the black version. What does this mean? There's growing speculation that ASUS may be partnering with Microsoft to deliver a more cohesive and optimized Windows gaming experience, perhaps even a custom Xbox-like interface or launcher layered over Windows. This could be a strategic move to counter SteamOS, which has become the gold standard for handheld gaming software thanks to its simplicity and console-like UI. Let's face it, while Windows offers flexibility, it's still a bit clunky for Handheld devices. A streamlined, Xbox-centric interface would not only improve usability, but also offer tighter integration with Game Pass, Xbox cloud gaming, and cross-platform play. Final thoughts. What the Ally 2 could mean for handheld gaming. So what's the big takeaway here? The ASUS ROG Ally 2 is shaping up to be more than just a sequel. It's looking like a redefinition of what Windows handheld gaming can be. With two distinct models catering to budget-conscious players and high-end enthusiasts, a bold ergonomic redesign, updated chips, fast charging, and the potential for Xbox integration, ASUS is clearly aiming to raise the bar for portable gaming experiences. If even half of these rumors prove accurate, the ROG Ally 2 could be one of the most versatile and exciting handhelds to launch in recent years. Whether you're a casual player or a hardcore gamer, this device might just have something for everyone. That wraps up today's breakdown of the ROG Ally 2 leaks and predictions. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming coverage on handheld tech, gaming performance tests, and side-by-side device comparisons. Thanks for watching Technology in the Future, where innovation meets analysis. See you in the next video.